Golan just looking to really extend these rallies. He's spending quite a bit of time in front of Coleman here, which is making the English players scurry around.
Yeah, you can see the movement here of Coleman. He's quite smooth, well into the front corners. But
he's doing a lot of work here, though.
Yeah, Golan's enjoying this. Beautiful. I mean,
nice little counter.
4-1.
All in the hands, Joey.
Well, Ben Coleman is running all over the shop here. You
11-4.
can't fault the
Game to
effort
Golan.
of the man from Essex.
Golan leads 1 game to love.
And that's the boast. See the athleticism there of Ben Coleman. Full skid into that front corner, but the boast of Golan is like a web. He really does get it running away from his opponent. 2 bounces before the sidewall. Horrible boast to try and retrieve.
And out.
That's quality shot there. You could hear the Spaniard.
5-7.
Immaculate backhand volley drop. Well, Golan just
out.
acknowledging the shot out there. It was an excellent weight of stroke. You see, he holds his position well on the tee. Well, you can't fault the effort there from Ben Coleman. Game ball for a 2-love lead.
Up. 12-10. Game to Golan. Golan leads 2 games to love.
Manages to close out the second game. He was game ball down. 8 match balls for the Spanish ball for a place in the quarters here in London, and a nice rest day.
Game to Golan. Golan wins 3 games to love.
44 minutes in that last round, that last match in the first round. Golan overcoming Ben Coleman. 11-4, 12-10, 11-2, 3 games to love.